guys, it's Prachi and today I'm gonna show you what I got in my guess what box. Ideally I should be calling it a bag because I got a really big and a really cool bag. I mean, just look at the colors, guys, and it's got like two zips over here. It's got a zip at the back. I love how elegant this looks, and this color is something which you can't go wrong with, when you don't know how to match or what to like carry with your outfits, or if you just want like a daily use bag, this can be such a useful bag. I love the color, I love the style. It's very practical, very handy. So I'm gonna open the front zip first because it has some very interesting products. I have a lot of interesting products, trust me. I was so astonished when I opened this bag because like I do so many unboxings. I do so like I have subscribed to so many subscription boxes and bags, and when you open it you expect a certain kind of products. This time what I've got is so interesting, especially the first two things that I'm going to talk about. So the first thing is I think a travel organizer kit. I think that's what I would call this one. It's basically like a way to organize your stuff when you're traveling, so you can keep your cosmetics, your jewelry, so many things. Or if you're someone like me who needs to carry her laptop and so many other things with it, it's so great. You can keep an external hard disk, a wire, your charger, your pen drives and other memory card readers and things like that. You can really use this in so many ways. I can't even imagine I mean the number of ways in which you can use this thing. So it's very useful. I think the quality is quite fine, and it's like so compact, very easy to carry. Like you can literally carry this in your hand also if you want. So that's the first thing I had, which was so interesting. And also I have with me something in which you can carry your shoes. So for someone like me who travels a lot, it's absolutely amazing to have these things. So you can actually keep like 2 or 3 pairs of shoes if you're carrying like flats, or you can even keep like a proper pair of sneakers, like something very heavy. And it's kind of large in size, so it can be used by men as well. So somebody like Gaurav, who's like got really big feet, even those people can use it. It's very handy, again very useful, because I think when you're packing your stuff, keeping your shoes properly is often a big problem. Like it happens a lot with me. And let me go back to go down to the next zip of the bag. This is what the bag looks like from inside. Very spacious. So okay, let me start with this thing, which is the Radiance face mask from Fuchsia. This is a face mask from Fuchsia. It's the Radiance face mask, and okay. By the way, one of the things I want to mention about Fuchsia, guys, is that the products are paraben and SLS free. Okay, so I really like that about Fuchsia. I love the Fuchsia products. Also with this, by the way, I've already opened everything. With this, I think it was with this only, right? Yeah. So with this face mask, I also got applicator brush. I actually want to open this, but then I wanted to show you how beautifully they have packed, so it was inside it like this, and then there's an applicator brush which came with it, and it was so useful because I don't have this, and I was suddenly like, wow, this is good. So that's the first thing. Next I have these nail polish remover wipes from a brand called Alvis. I'll be honest, I've never heard of this brand before, but it's a nail polish remover wipe, and it's an orange, so I'm sure you guys have seen this around. It's basically just remove this thing, wipe, and remove your nail polish. So again, something very handy. By the way, I'll be mentioning all the prices at the end of the video. I have all the prices. And then there is an eyeshadow palette from Savannah. Savannah has very recently become a really big brand, and a lot of people are talking about it, and I think it's a good brand. They do have a lot of really cool products. So this is the Savannah eyeshadow palette. I think the colors are really nice. The nude colors are something which all girls need. So these are some of the colors which I swatched on my fingers very quickly because it's an up close unboxing video, guys. I don't want to make this video too long. I just want to show you what's in there. And then there is a little really cute mirror over here. Okay, how do I open this? There was a way of opening this mirror. How do you open this? Oh yeah, right, sorry. So you open it like this. Yeah, so cute. That's the mirror. And oh yeah, there's also a jewelry piece over here. I'll also be sharing a few pictures on my Instagram, I think. Or if I forget to post pictures on Instagram, just remind me. I would love to show you what I have actually got in here. So this is basically a necklace with a, dancing girl thing. It's so cute, so pretty. And then of course a welcome box, a welcome card which says get set go. I think that's the theme of the guess what box this month. And oh, by the way, I'll share the price and the website link for the Guess What box in the description box, but if you just want to know. So there's a social media contest going on over here where you can share a picture of yourself and win things. And then they also have a refer policy, so if you're a subscriber you can refer and you can, you know, get some points and, you know, some benefits. I think it's benefits, not really points. Yeah. And then there is an information card which I'm just gonna read out to tell you the prices. So the brown handbag is worth rupees 450. The travel organizer, yeah, that's what it's called. The travel organizer is worth rupees 499. The shoe storage travel bag is worth rupees 349. The face mask from Fuchsia is worth rupees 450. The double exposure eyeshadow palette from Savannah is worth rupees 499. The ballerina, oh yeah, ballerina is the word. The ballerina pendant is worth rupees 450. The face pack brush is just complimentary with the mask, so that's free, but obviously it is a really cool product. And then there is a cute hand mirror worth rupees 49. I love how they have actually mentioned the price is 49, you know. Like most subscription boxes would like buy something like this and say, hey, it's worth rupees 300 because it doesn't really come with the price tag. So they've very honestly said that this is worth rupees 49 and not more than that. So I think that's really, really nice. And then we have the travel nail wipes, which is worth rupees 20. So that's what the box is all about. That's what I got in my Guess What box slash bag. This one I'm gonna call it like, you know, slash bag because I actually got a bag. It's really nice. So guys, I'll share the Guess What box website link in the description box below, the price in the description box below. If you have any queries, please ask away your questions in the comment section. I would love to help you guys. I'll try my best to help you guys. So yes, thanks a lot for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye-bye. Bye.